Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Welcome to this lab, CL455. So what we will do is, I'm going to ask Nikhil to answer any questions that you might have in the spoken tutorials you are supposed to watch. And then and if there are questions, he will answer them. Today, Priyam is not able to join, so Nikhil is joining. Nikhil, go ahead.
Hello friends, if you have any questions regarding the tutorials which we shared, that is tutorial on the rigorous distillation and sensitivity analysis, so you can ask.
Yeah, are there any questions on rigorous distillation and sensitivity analysis and adjust? If there are any questions, we will answer them. Please go ahead.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, sir. This is Amrit. So, sir, actually, while I was doing the tutorials, while using the connector, that adjusts in the logical ops, actually, it was where after solving the flow sheet, it was showing that the solution is not converging. I mean, so before I used the connector, I used a normal distillation column and all, so it was solving properly. But then after I used the connector, I did all the settings according to the tutorial. After that, when I started to solve it, like it showed that there was no solution to the distillation column after using the connector.
Yeah, the reason may be because of the solver that you are using. One, that is the Wang Hanke solver, and you have to click on the direct rigorous. And if the number of trays you are mentioning is wrong, then also there may be convergence error, because while solving from the shortcut column, you have to add one number of tray, because it does not takes into account the condenser. But when coming from the shortcut column to the rigorous column, you have to add +1. So I think there may be error in your input.
Yes, sir. What did you just say about the Wang Hanke? That's okay. But after there was some direct regress. What was that?
Yeah, direct regress is a solver. Means the convergence value is too high, so it solves very easily. And in your case, the problem may be while going from the shortcut column to the rigorous column, we have to increase the number of trays. Suppose the shortcut column is giving you 20 number of trays, but when you are going to rigorous column, you have to increase the number of trays by 1, that is 21, because it does not shortcut column does not take into account the condenser. So for taking the condenser into account in the rigorous problem, we have to add it +1 number of
So, but if in the question it is given, so do we have to take +1 then also?
No. In the question, if it is given that including condenser, then you don't have to take that into account.
So what we will do is we will start the quiz at 2:05, and the quiz will last 5 minutes.
So are you able to see the slide?
Yeah, we are able to see it. So you can start the quiz. It is 2:05, and you can also announce the quiz, the code.
Yes, sir. So today's safe app quiz will be on spoken tutorial 4, that is on rigorous distillation, and spoken tutorial number 5, that is on sensitivity analysis and adjust. All the questions of today's quiz will be dependent on these two topics.
So you start the quiz and show the password.
Yes, I am on. Yes.
So if there are any questions in the assignment that you submitted last week, or the assignment that you are going to do today, you can go ahead and ask your questions.
Yes, like every week, we have two sections for the assignment, section 1 and section 2.
Can you zoom
section
in
1
a little bit?
Yes.
Let it fill the space.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, like for every week we have again two sections in this week also. Section 1 consists of 8 questions, and for this the time limit is 2 days up to 5 p.m. You have to submit it on Moodle like you are doing for every week. And the section 2 we have 4 questions, and like every week you do you submit later on the Moodle. You have to do likewise in this week also. So if you have any doubt in these questions, you may ask now.
Can you scroll a little bit, Nikhil? Okay. Are there any questions on the material covered previously? The assignment that you submitted, whether anything is not working, or if you have any questions in today's presentation, today's assignments. Thank you very much. I'll let you do the work and submit it as required. And next week we will have the last week. We will come to the end of this part, namely the flow sheeting part. Subsequently, we will shift to CFD, computational fluid dynamics, and most of the work will be done through OpenFOAM. So thank you all. Good luck in today's work, and see you next week.
In the question it is said distillation column with 15 stages including condenser. So do I need to take that 15 plus 1?
No, in this case you don't have to do.
Okay,
For which particular question?
I am asking for
You are
question
asking for
3. Question number 3.
Question 3, yeah.
It is saying that the feed enters, it's a distillation column with 15 stages, including condenser. So for the actual number of stages, I need to write 15 only because it is already included the condenser, right?
Yeah, right.
And the feed enters at 7th stage, it is written there. So it did not include the condenser. So I have to write 8 as
No, you have to write you have to write 7, because when you go to the connection section, there will be a tab of condenser separately, and the number of places will start from.
Okay. There's a separate option for condenser there.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Hello Nikhil, why are we using that feed tab twice? Means we are mentioning stage 9 in configuration also and in stream connection also. So what is that column feed port?
Yeah, column feed port. Okay. So that is for the better visualization only. It does not have to take anything from our simulation. If you choose the port 1, so for visualization, your feed will be taken from first port. When you click on the port number 5 for the visualization purpose only, it will look from that in the middle section you are providing the feed.
Okay, so it has nothing to do with that feed.
Yeah,
stage,
connection
right?
port is feed stage. Yeah,
Okay,
feed
cool,
stage
thanks.
is a different thing. Yeah. Okay.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes. Yeah, you are audible.
Yes, sir. I actually wanted to ask, sir. I'm having the same problem which I just repeated like before the quiz. While I solved the first question entirely, I was getting the answers all right. The flow sheet was solving. I used all the parameters given in the question, and as soon as I used the controller block, when I put all the parameters accordingly, it's always showing the same message that the solver reached the maximum number of iterations without converging.
Okay.
What should I do?
That controller broke. Yeah. So
No, because using the sensitivity, that extra sensitivity manager, I was getting everything right. I mean, it was like, working and all. But when I use the controller block, it's not working. It's not, it's showing that it's not solving. The distillation column itself is not solving.
okay, let me check one by one this step. You are asking for question number 1, right? Hello, Amrit.
Yes, sir. Question number 1. So the second part is you have to, do sensitivity analysis. So I use the adjust in that. And so one more thing, after I'm doing the adjust, I check the distillation column, properties. It's showing the reflux ratio as 2.7 into 10 to the power 63. Like after using the adjustment the properties of the distillation column, it's showing 2.7 into 6 into 10 to the power 63. It's supposed to be like very
This should not be the case. I think somewhere you are doing some error. Yes, I am checking just step by step. What will be the error.
Okay. And sir, I have another doubt. In the distillation column in the stream stage associations, the distillate and the bottoms product, it's like directly coming the stage location for condenser and reboiler. That's all right, right?
Yeah.
Like when I was specifying, at the stage at which the feed enters according to the question, I saw that for the distillate and for the bottoms product, the stage location was already specified. That's okay, right? I mean, it was already like from before.
For the distillate and the condenser, I don't think, but manually you have to do. Means by default, I don't think that it should come. You have to do it manually.
Okay.
So, Amrit, in question number 1, you have to use only sensitivity analysis. You don't have to use the adjust block.
But then what if a question comes for adjust block and it's not solving? Like what should I do then?
Yeah.
Because
so
I followed all the steps according to the tutorial. I mean, before using the adjust blocks, everything was fine. As soon as I use it, it shows that there's converging error.
Okay. So converging error may be because of the manipulated and control object. Have you checked it? That too. Are you using right? Means have you cross verified it? Because mainly the error can only be by using this. That is manipulated and controlled.
So I asked a friend, like he used his own flow sheet. Even he was having a similar problem with the adjust module. I mean, the sensitivity manager works fine. I mean, it shows like all the graph and all, but this has a problem. The adjust block.
Okay. Okay, that I'll do and let you know. In case if you have any questions particular to this assignment, because I have practiced this assignment, so I can quickly answer.
Hello, Nikhil.
Yes, Vikas.
In the question 3, it is asked the mole fraction of acetone in distillate, okay? But in the result section in DW sim, there are vapor phase mole fraction and liquid mole fraction, like V ethanol, V acetone, L ethanol, L acetone. So, what are we supposed to report?
In the question number 3.
Yeah. It said ki using NRTL, the mole fraction of acetone in distillate is. So, after clicking in view temperature, pressure and composition properties, I went to component fractions and went to the table, and it is saying V ethanol, basically means vapor fraction, V ethanol, V acetone, and L ethanol, L acetone. So, which of the following I need to report?
But in the question number 3, in the distillate, the entire section should come in the liquid phase. So I think you should, while using that table, you should click on the option of molar fraction acetone in the mixture.
It says temperature, flows, component flows, and component fractions, and there is no other option.
So what you can do your problem is for mole fraction. You have to find out the mole fraction, right?
Yeah. So it is showing vapor phase and vapor phase, liquid phase, liquid phase. So which of the following I need to report? Vapor phase or liquid phase?
Liquid phase. Actually, the entire the distillate will come in the liquid phase only. Vapor phase mole fraction for the distillate should come to the 0.
No, but it is showing some values. Vapor phase for distillate is 0.02 for ethanol and 0.9 for acetone actually. Whereas liquid phase is 0.9 for acetone, 0.4 for ethanol.
Yes, bottoms have both. So what you can do, you can report the answer, whatever you are getting. You have to click on the molar fraction, mole fraction of acetone in the mixture.
Wait a second.
Yeah.
Yeah, in the
And-
when I click on the view temperature and pressure compositions,
Yeah.
it is showing me the two options, graphs and tables, and in the upper side I have temperature, flow, component flow, and component fractions. Okay, so when I click
Yeah.
on component fraction, now it don't have any options for mixture or vapor or liquid. It is just showing me 4 columns. First one is vapor phase ethanol, second is vapor phase acetone, third is liquid
Yeah.
phase ethanol, fourth is liquid phase acetone. Okay.
Yeah.
The question is asking for the mole fraction of acetone in distillate. So if I can see the mole fraction of acetone in condenser here is condenser is 2. I have 2 options. One is vapor, which is 0.97, and one is liquid, which is 0.95.
Mention both.
Okay.
And for your information, if you want to see the result, you don't have to click somewhere. Just move your cursor to the distillate. Then it will give you the property values.
Oh, wait a second, I'll try that. Move my cursor to the distillate.
Yeah, just don't click anything. Just move there. So it will show some results. Temperature,
Yeah, it
pressure,
says
mass.
phases as liquid only.
Okay. So you are getting liquid.
It is saying vapor phase mole fraction as 0, mixture molar
Yeah.
entropy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Volumetric
So
flow. Yeah, but
yeah,
when we
now
come results
now
it is-
yeah, I got it. So now click on it. Now click on the distillate.
Okay. So I have to look in the distillate wala. Okay, I have to get it through the stream.
Yeah,
Yeah.
stream from in
Material
the
stream,
compound amount.
I have to
Yeah.
get the results from material stream, not from the short distillation column.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
So you go to the compound amount. There you will find.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Yeah.
Hello, sir. In the question number 2,
In the question number 2, yeah.
perform sensitivity analysis. In this question, we need to find reflux ratio and temperature of distillate is given.
Yeah, temperature is given and you have to find reflux ratio. Fine.
So in optimization, when we use sensitivity analysis,
Yeah.
the independent variable will be distillation column, and we will set the limit for the reflux ratio minimum to some higher value, and dependent variable will be the same distillation, but it is not showing in a property the option for temperature.
Okay. So independent variable will be your distillation column. Object will be distillation column. And the property you will choose is the condenser specification value, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then we move on to dependent variable. So you have to, there will be a green color plus sign, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So there you click on that plus sign.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now in the object section, there will be various options.
Of distillate stream.
Yeah. So choose your distillate stream, whatever the name you have given.
Yeah, I chose it.
Yeah. And now go to property tab and choose temperature.
There is no option like there's dew point temperature something, and
No, there will be option. Scroll down. Means
Yeah, found it.
10th last, 10th or 12th, between 10th and 20 last. There's
Yeah,
a
I
huge
found it.
list. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Hello, Nikhil.
Yes, Abhinav.
Uh, what does it mean when the problem is n is missing? Please check input data and try again.
Check input data and try again.
It's showing that
for
the distillation column is inactive.
distillation. Okay, so by mistake you have clicked inactive. So go to distillation column, right click on it, and activate it.
And Nikhil, are you there?
Yes.
And
Yes, Vikas.
second question, I have some problem. Changing the reflex ratio doesn't seem to change the display temperature in sensitivity analysis.
Changing the reflex ratio. So are you getting the what the temperature are you getting before optimization?
352.97.
Yeah, 09. Fine. So now we have to move it to 352.05, and we have to perform the sensitivity analysis. So how are you proceeding? Like click on
Under independent variable, I choose the distillation column, property reflex ratio, set the lower limit to 0, upper limit to 10, number of.
come
Pardon?
to okay, come one by in the independent variable, what you chose?
Distillation column.
Yeah, that's fine. And in the property tab, what you chose?
Reflex ratio.
Choose condenser specification value.
Condenser specification value. Okay.
Yeah.
And then dependent
now go
variable,
to-
distillate and temperature.
Distillate and temperature. Fine.
Okay. I'm getting some changes.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
हेलो निखिल
Okay.
हाँ मैं अभी क्वेश्चन 1 कर रहा था तो बट माय लाइक इन क्वेश्चन 1 इट इज नॉट कन्वर्जिंग
Question number 1. What is the error is it showing?
लाइक द एनर्जी बैलेंस इज नॉट कन्वर्जिंग
So have you checked the entire connections?
सॉरी
Entire connections. Have you connected all the streams?
या
Have you number of stages? How many stages have you taken?
20
20. That's fine. Error is energy balance is not converging, right?
या
Hello, sir.
What?
To get optimal feed location question 1 directly.
Okay, Mohit, can you please wait? Someone is asking some question. Yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead. Yeah.
So in question 1, if it is not
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
In question 1, is the optimal feed location is not mentioned. So how to get that?
The feed enter. It is written there. The feed enters at 10th stage.
Hello, Nikhil.
Yes, Ravi.
So I have this question in 8th question. I need to enter this optimal feed location, right?
Okay, yeah.
In the configuration stream stage association under that tab.
Okay.
So it's not given in the question. Otherwise, I can't solve it. It throws some error.
Yeah, I'm mistaken. But it is written the column consists of 15 stages with the feed entering at 7th stage.
Yeah, but so in the tutorial, so the way, so he done it was like
Okay.
so I
In
yeah.
In the tutorial, what they did, they chose the value from the shortcut column and
Yeah,
then
yeah.
came to the distillation column.
Yeah.
So here directly the all the values are given. You don't have to perform the shortcut column analysis. So whatever is given.
So this feed location which is mentioned
Yeah.
is also optimal. It's also optimal, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Hello, Mohit.
Hi, Nikhil. Huh?
Yeah. So means, are you able to solve it that or?
No. So, like, is there any problem with pressures regarding the stage pressure?
So all the stages, there is no pressure drops. So all the stages should have equal pressure. I think there is 1 atmosphere.
1 atm.
Yeah.
So it is 1 atm for all stages. And for reboiler, we have to use 1.1 atm or 1 atm.
What is given in the question? It is, I think, 1.1. What is given?
Just
1 atmosphere pressure. That will come. Reboiler pressure is also maintained at 1 atmosphere.
1 atm.
1 atmosphere. Yeah.
So, but by doing all this, it is not conversing.
The feed enters at 10th stage. So feed enters at 10th stage. Are you using 10 or 11? You should use 10.
10. Yeah.
And in the column specification, reflux ratio and bottom flow rate you have to give. Have you checked the unit of the specifications for the reboiler and condenser?
For condenser, like we are using reflux ratio 1.9.
Yeah.
And for reboiler, we are using product.
Yeah. So have you checked the unit mole per second? 15.6 mole per
Yeah,
second.
mole per second 15.6.
So reboiler is done, condenser is done. Then we go to general Raoult's law. You have used 20 stages.